Hello, I'm going to walk you through today how to access a career exploration assessment we have available for all students. It's called TypeFocus, and I'm just going to walk you through how to find the assessment, how to complete it, and how to get the most out of your results as well. So you're going to go first to my.byui.edu, the main website of BYU Idaho, and type student guide into the search bar here. And when you go to the student guide, it's going to access a lot of different resources. So the first option that comes up is that student guide. From here, you can see lots of the resources we talk about throughout the adventures are here. But to find the TypeFocus assessment, it is going to be under Major and Career and the Self-Discovery tab. I would encourage you to read through a little bit of this website to understand that career and self-discovery information. But here under assessment options, there's three things available. TypeFocus is the one we're going to have you complete in this adventure. By clicking on this link, it will allow you to register for TypeFocus. So as I click that, you'll see that you can log in if you've already made an account, or you need to create a new account to complete the assessment. So register as a new user. Once you've registered, you'll see that there's 4 assessments available. Personality, interests, skills, and values. It doesn't take too long to go through the questions for each assessment. I've already completed those. So as you look at under personality, it's going to give a summary with multiple tabs of information here. I would encourage you to go through those, learn about your personality result and what that is. There's options within this to change your personality type if you feel like another one fits you better, or to redo the assessment if you want to. Under interests, it's going to give you your top 3 interest areas, and there's also additional resources there as well. In skills, we encourage you to choose skills that you have now or skills that you feel like you're going to learn as you go through your education so that you can choose the best ones there. And in values, there's 6 values here, 6 values listed, and you just choose the 3 that you feel are most important for you and write some information here about why are those top values important to you. Once you've gone through the assessments and looked at your results, you're going to want to go on to step 2, explore your options. What's really cool about this is it's going to take the results of those 4 assessments and match it up to occupations or careers and the major that might best match that here at BYU Idaho. If you scroll down here to your exploration options, you can see my assessment matched up with 4 occupations, matched all 4 of my assessments. They were a fit with all 4. There were other occupations that matched only 3 and even more that matched only 2. So under my 4, you can see I've got clinical psychologist. My career has been as a career counselor, so that fits quite well. And then a couple professor results and a recreational therapist. So all of these would have been interesting to me as I was exploring. A couple of features here, you can see which of the assessments, personality, interests, skills, or values, were a match. You can also see things like a bright outlook, meaning there's a bright future, a lot of growth in that career. You can get a ballpark salary and then what career cluster that's in, and the level of preparation, 4 being a bachelor's degree, 5 being beyond a bachelor's degree, and other zones 1, 2, and 3 requiring less preparation and less college experience. If you click on any of those careers, I'm going to go into psychologist here. I'm really interested in this. I want to be able to find it again. I'm going to save that into my profile, and I'm very interested in that one. So I'm going to rate and save that occupation for future reference, and it will provide it on my report. Also, you can see that certain majors are listed. So my major in college was psychology. I'm really interested in that. I want to save that for future reference as well. I'm really interested in that. So I'd encourage you to save some of the occupations and save some majors that you're exploring as you go through this. Once you've done that, spent some time exploring, you can create a report, and this is what you'll submit as your report for the adventure. Right here, you'll go through and select each of the assessments, all of the results, the saved occupations, and the saved majors. Those are the elements you want to include there. Once you submit that, it generates this nice PDF report. And at the very bottom, create that PDF and it will download a copy for you to submit with your a reflection of what did you learn from this. So those are the steps we recommend you take, and hope you have fun exploring the TypeFocus tool.